Today we are at Havana Vieja in South Beach, Florida, and we're going to try their Cubano sandwich. So we found this place on Google Maps and it's rated a 4.9 with over 14,000 reviews on it. Let's see how good their Cubano is. It's pretty good. I wouldn't say it's my favorite one I've ever had though. Like, I really expected to have one in Miami with that high of a rating. It would just be like blow your socks off. The bread is good. There's not a whole lot of flavor to the pulled pork. You can taste the ham, the pickles, the mustards, as always. I still think that one we found in South Carolina is better.
Oh, wow. Shots fired. My turn. Cubano, Cubano, Cubano. He says this is better than South Carolina.
I didn't say I said the South Carolina one in South Carolina was better.
That's what he said. I'll let you know if I think it's good. That's pretty daggone delicious. I had to catch myself. The pork's good. It's not dry, which is nice. You can taste the mustard, you can taste the pickles, you can taste the cheese. The bread's nice.
I like the bread a lot.
The bread actually has a good like crunch on the outside, but it's super soft
Nice
on the
and fluffy.
inside. Yeah, this is a solid Cubano. I'd get it again.
Yeah, I just don't think it's the best one I've ever had though.
My face says it might be.
Yeah, you got a little one.
A little bit here, a little bit here. That's okay.
So would you rate this place a 4.9 with 14,000 reviews?
No. No, but I would say probably, this I would give probably like a 4.8. 10. 10.
Whatever those were.
I didn't like these. 1. I think it was the sauce.
Yeah, that dark sauce has got a very
it was the sauce.
interesting flavor. I would probably give this place a 4.5 overall. I thought the Cubano is really good. I don't drink coffee because I don't drink caffeine. And then the croquettes are good if you just don't get that dark sauce on them.
Still not a fan.
Something about them.
I don't know. I think it's the texture. I'm not a fan.
No, I wasn't either.
Not a fan. The truffle sauce is delicious. The balsamic, of course, is delicious. It's cooked properly. I'm not a fan.
It's what it is.
It is what it is.
Can't like everything.
True.
I've never had what is it called again?
Croquette.
Croquette. See what this is all about. That is a unique flavor. Crispy on the outside, gooey in the center. The sauce is really good. Oh wow, that dark sauce that's kind of, I don't know about all that. That dark sauce is kind of weird tasting. Kind of got like an acidic, like very acidic, very, very acidic flavor to it. But the creamy sauce actually tastes good. That is interesting.
All right.
All right, so we went back and tried both sauces.
So it wasn't the sauce. I don't know. So the dark sauce is balsamic glaze, and the light color sauce is a truffle sauce. So I put it both. I tried them separately. They're delicious. Put it on the outside. I'm gonna try it again because I think maybe I did it wrong the first time. I'm not a fan.
Something about them.
I don't know. I think it's the texture. I'm not a fan.
No, I wasn't either.
Not a fan. The truffle sauce is delicious. The balsamic, of course, is delicious. It's cooked properly. I'm not a fan.
It's what it is.
It is what it is.
Can't like everything.
True. Probably a Michael's bag at this point. We got a hitchhiker. No.
So what is that?
That's a Cubano coffee. Wait for it. I'm gonna be running around Miami. I haven't tried it yet. Am I supposed to stir it?
I don't know.
No.
Okay. My dad says no. Internet, am I wrong? Hey, this is hot. I didn't expect that. It's hot outside.
You didn't expect coffee to be hot?
Wow. Yeah. I'm gonna be jacked out of I might not sleep until tomorrow. That's good. I like it so far. But yeah, I didn't expect it to be hot. I don't know why I thought it would be cold. I guess I think of Cuba and it being hot already and then adding hot. Maybe I didn't think that through. Oh man, that's strong. That is strong.
That's good.
It is delicious.
I would say if you're going to come to this place and eat here, make sure that you got some,
Time.
yeah. It wasn't exactly fast. And
But it
then-
wasn't slow either. I think they just got the lunch rush right when we got there.
Yeah. But then the other thing is, if you're wanting to be cool, that is also not the place to go. It is all outside seating other than 2 tables, and then it's only fans that are on you, and they're not very strong.
I wasn't disappointed with it, but you know, I'm used to the heat, so it is what it is.
Yeah, it's still a good place. I'll go try it if I was you, but it's not the best I've ever had.